there, fellow guitar people. I've got a cool funk strumming pattern for you, and you won't even need a pick. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm Tomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that now so you don't miss a thing. Let's do this. Okay, let's start with the basic technique. If any of this technique stuff seems to be going quickly, I have a whole video that explains it in much more detail, and I'll put a link to that at the end. So that basic motion is down with the fingers and up with the thumb. I'm down with the outside of my fingers, brushing against the strings, and then up with the thumb, again, brushing. My hands relaxed, and I'm twisting slightly. There's a little bit of motion in my elbow, and I'm twisting slightly. You don't want big motion like this. There's too much space to get back on time. So it's a little motion and a little twisting together. Watch slowly for a minute. Down, and I twist, and up. Down, and up. Try it with me without a chord for now. Down, twist slightly, up. Down and up. Now I'll make a chord, an A minor open chord. Down, up, down, up. Now you don't want to dig in too much because it'll sound harsh. You want to brush the strings and then on the way up. You see, it's a light brush. And like anything else, it takes some practice. Now the next technique we're using is a mute in the left hand. This is different than a palm mute we're using your right hand. The left hand you mute by just releasing the tension. It works best with bar chords, though it can be adjusted to open chords. We're going to do it on a bar chord. So here's the mute technique. I strum, and now I'm going to strum with the mute. I've just released tension, and it makes that sound. So strum, and then mute. So try this with me. We're going to, first of all, make the chord sound. Now make the mute sound. Just release slightly. And my left hand's still touching the strings. I'm just releasing. Now I'm going to press down. There's the chord. And now release. Press down and release. Now that basic motion with my right hand is just down, up, down, up. And every once in a while, I'm muting, and that's what makes the rhythm. So here's a simple exercise to practice the basic technique before you start adding it into the strum. We're going to go down, up, ringing, and then down, up, muting. Release the left hand. So we're practicing muting and releasing while strumming up and down. And the motion is constantly up and down, so that's going to stay the same. Try it with me now. So it's going to be down, up, you let it ring, now mute, down, up. Do it with me. Down, up, mute. By the way, I'm making an A minor in my left hand, A minor bar chord. Go. Down, up. Now a little faster. Try it with me. Come on, you got this. Ready, go. Down, up, mute. Down, up, mute. Down, and down, up. Okay, pretty good. Okay, now we're ready to put the technique together with the right and left hand into a strum pattern. The strum pattern is going to alternate between letting the strings ring and muting them. We're going to let the strings ring every 1.5 beats. So what that means for practical purposes is that sometimes the strings will ring when your strum is going down, and then alternately it'll ring when your strum's going up. So listen for a minute. Here's what it sounds like. Now, a couple of things. First of all, that rhythm pattern is made with my left hand, the muting part. The right hand's doing the exact same thing, just going up and down every time. And you'll notice at the very end of the pattern, I did a couple up and downs without letting the strings ring. I was getting back on the beat to start the whole pattern over again. So it's like this. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So in total, there's 5 times that I'm unmuting the strings or letting them ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the way, there's a couple ways I could think about that. One way is to actually say which beats or which part of the beat the strum is ringing on, and I'll put some of that in the notes. But for now, I'm going to choose to just keep track of it by alternating one time down, one time up, one time down, until I get to 5 and then start over. So try it with me very slowly right now, and I'll stop after one time through. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was one whole pattern. Let's try that again, even a little bit slower. So just to be clear, I'm alternating. The first time I go down, and then I let it ring on the way up, and next time it's going to be down. And my right hand is just keep going down, up, down, up. Try just a little bit with me. We'll go even a little slower. Here we go. Ready, hit it. Start down, up, down. Now ring, up, down. Now it's going to ring on the way down, down, and then up. Last one, down. Now, no ring, so I can start over. This is the 1 beat, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and let's try it a little bit faster. And I'm just going to count how many times you let it ring. This is not the beat right now. Ready, hit it. Down, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then start over. Let's do it again. Hit, up, hit, 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 one more. Hit, and then we're going to start over. And we'll start over on the downbeat. I'm going to start with an A7. Here goes. As I mentioned earlier, I've made a whole video which goes into more detail about the techniques with the right hand. So I'm going to put a link to that here at the end, and make sure and watch that. It'll help clear things up if this is a new technique for you. Hey, and give me a thumbs up if you appreciate what I'm trying to do here. And before you go, I appreciate if you take just a minute and leave me a comment. Let me know how this was for you. Was this difficult, easy, somewhere in between? And secondly, let me know if there's a video that you'd like me to make that you think would help you and others. I'll see you again soon. Bye.